Meanwhile, TVJ News is in receipt of a letter to the National Security Minister Robert Montague from the Jamaica Civil Service Association demanding the resignation of FLA head Shane Dallings. In the letter dated October 17, the JCSA says the union has no trust and confidence in Mr. Dallings to deal effectively with industrial relations matters. The JCSA is claiming that Mr. Dallings has a poor track record dealing with industrial relations in the public sector, pointing to stints at the Caymanas Track Limited and the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC. At the FLA, the letter reads, he has used the terms of the Ministry of Finance Circular on fixed-term employment to intimidate staff, resulting in the termination of 7 employees in 2 months. The JCSA is further alleging that some staff are being asked to sign separation agreements on the ground that if they do not, he would only pay 3 months' notice and not for unexpired terms of the contracts. The workers, the JCSA says, are restive. In addition to the minister, the union has written to Governance Committee of the Partnership of Jamaica. It has also written a criminal complaint to the Director of Public Prosecution against Mr. Dallings, alleging union busting. The General Legal Counsel has also been written to, with the JCSA contending that as an officer of the courts, Mr. Dallings has shown a deliberate lack of respect for due process and natural justice.